my name is George. I'm here to tell you a little about the GTD method. Now, GTD stands for Get Things Done, and that's pretty much the entire idea. It's a methodology centered around a workflow that is designed to help you be more efficient and to not waste time on things you can't do now. Just like everything in ClickUp, what I'm about to show you isn't the only way to get things done, but it is a tried and true method. So let's jump right into this then. And the first thing we're going to want to create is a Get Things Done space. As always, you can use whatever custom statuses you would like, but I'm going to pretend I'm doing this for a dev team that is using Agile. Next step is to add projects for our space. We're going to want two here, actionable and non-actionable. Now this is a big part of GTD. It helps you decide if you can work on it right away or not, and if you can't, you need to set it aside for the time being. I'm going to keep both of these projects on the same status as our space for the sake of time, but you can add custom statuses to individual projects if you click here. Up next, we need two lists for each project. Keeping with our theme of GTD, we're going to call these multi-step and immediate action for our actionable items, and file and incubate for our non-actionable ones. We're going to leave out the trash bin category entirely, since in our opinion it's not relevant or worthwhile to store items that are deemed as trash. Now it's time for tasks, and these can really be whatever you want them to be, but you still want them to make sense within the scope of your project. So things like new business ideas or quick tasks are pretty good starting points. One of the big deals with the GTD method is the amount of things you're able to get done. Notes have always made my life easier, and I think it fits well with this methodology. The notepad in ClickUp is super easy to get to, and you can find it down here on the right. Our notepad is great for jotting things down super quickly or making a checklist, kind of like your inbox for GTD. We also have a task tray down here, which is awesome for organizing and prioritizing your tasks for the day. Speaking of tasks, we have a few very fast ways to make them. Our Chrome extension not only takes screenshots and tracks time, it's also a great way to add a task quickly. Our mobile apps are for iOS and Android, and they allow you to quickly add a task on the go. If you do this, it will always be added to the list that you viewed last. Lastly, we have full support for your voice assistants. If you prefer to dictate your needs, feel free to add a task without even typing. Before I let you go, I wanted to run you through a few of our Click apps that help with GTD. Dates, which are for any item which is time dependent, like a monthly meeting. Tags, that can be used to further organize items, even across projects, like a household item can be tagged as such even if the type of item is different. Priority, which really fits into the GTD and makes choosing which items to work on much easier. Time estimates, which are helpful for deciding how and when to work on an item. And lastly, ClickUp's favorite feature. You can create your own custom sidebar to include sorting, filtering, and even your favorite view. So this feature ensures that you can develop a dependable workflow to get things done efficiently. All you have to do is go to left sidebar, find the relevant ellipses, and click Add to Favorites. That's about all for me today. If you still have questions, feel free to check out our Help button. It's in the Team menu here, or you can email us at help@clickup.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.